Yes, now we are taking one more example. This time they are asking this determinant you calculate. And now I'm saying you open this determinant with respect to third row. We are opening this with third row. Now when question says you find out determinant, it's your choice. You take first row, second row or third row, or first column or second column or third column. That is your choice, and better will be first row. But whenever they say specify that you open it with respect to first row or the second row or the third row, according to that we'll go. So when we say third row, so I'll just go for this element. What this element will be, it is 3 1. So I'll say minus 1 power 3 plus 1. Element is minus 2. Leave this row, leave this row, column. Then what the determinant left? 3 minus 2, 2 and 3. Then come on second element. So it will be plus minus 1 power, it is 3 2. So 3 plus 2, element will be simply 1 and then determinant. So 1 means leave this and leave this. What it will come? 2 minus 2, 1 and 3. And then third will be plus minus 1 power, this is 3 plus 3. Then it will come out to be, and the element will be minus 3 and then determinant. So leave this and leave this, left is 2 3 1 2. Now when you solve it, it will be coming 1 plus, so left is minus 2. Then it will be 9 plus 4. Then this is minus again. This will come 6 plus 2. Then it will come out to be 3 3 6. So it is plus again, and left is minus 3, and this will be 4 minus 3. So 9 and 4 13. 13 twos are 26. Okay, then minus of 12, and then it will come out to be what now? Minus of 1, minus of 3. So it will come out to be minus 26 minus of 15. What this will come? Minus of 20 30, 31. Sorry, 30 41. Minus of 40. Check please once more. Minus 2. So minus 1 power 3 plus 1. Then minus 2. Leave this 3 minus 2, 2 and 3. Then come out to be plus minus 1 power 3 plus 2. 1 is the element. So left is 2 minus 2, 1, 3. Then minus 1 power 3 plus 3. Minus 3 is the element. Then it is 2, 3, 1, 2. When you solve it, it will be minus 2, 9 plus 4. Then it is coming out to be minus 1, 6 plus 2. Right? And then come out to be plus here, but minus 3. Then it will be 4 minus 3. So it is coming out to be 1. So this number is simply minus 3, minus 8 it is, sorry. यहाँ गलती हुई है. Minus 8. So 8 and 3, 11. And this is 26. So it will come out to be 26 and minus 11. So answer will be minus of 37. Keep in mind. Now one more thing note here. Whenever you have calculated the determinant, by the way, determinant A in these cases not coming 0. Whenever a square matrix is given, matrix A, Aij, order n into n, if its determinant A is not coming 0, coming some number which is not 0, it is called singular, non-singular matrix. It is called non-singular matrix. By the way, if determinant A comes out to be 0, it is called singular matrix. If determinant A is not 0, it is called singular matrix. If determinant A is 0, it is singular matrix. Not 0, I repeat it, determinant A not 0, non-singular. Not 0 means non-singular. 0 means it's a singular matrix. Keep in mind, determinant value of any square matrix, if comes 0, it is singular matrix. If it is not coming 0, it is non-singular matrix. So that you should keep in mind. On this also they can ask one more question. In this one more question they can ask. Just note here. if one matrix given to you, and that matrix is 1 minus 2 and 3, 1 2 and 1, x 2 and minus 3 is a singular matrix. My question is, find out what should be x. This x should be calculated if it is a singular matrix. So now we should know it. So first what you should do, we find out its determinant value. Determinant value means 1 minus 2 3, 1 2 and 1, x 2 and minus 3. Now if you take the determinant value, so first I told you open with any one of them, result will be same. So when you go for this 1, so it will be 1 1 element, so minus 1 power 1 plus 1, 1 is the element, left is what, 2 1 2 and minus 3. Then comes out to be plus minus 1 power 1 plus 2, then element is minus 2, and then determinant which you are taking will be what, this you are leaving, this you are leaving, 1 1 x and minus 3, and then third one plus of minus 1 power 1 plus 3, then element is 3, element here are 1 2 x and 2. Okay, and this has to be 0. This has to be 0. Keep in mind. So this is 0. That means now we can solve it and find out value of x. How we do it? Just check here. This will be minus 6 minus 2. Then this will become minus, and this is so plus 2. And then it will come minus 3 minus x. And then come out to be plus 3. 2 minus 2x comes out to be 0. So minus 6 minus 2 is minus 8, minus 6 minus of 2x plus of 6 minus of 6x coming 0. So 6 and 6 cancel out. Left is minus 8 will be equal to 8x. So x is coming minus 1. So when x is coming minus 1, we will say it will be a singular matrix. If it is non-singular, they ask, we should say x should not be minus 1. If it is non-singular, they ask. So if it is non-singular, we will say x should not be minus 1. Otherwise, x should be minus 1. If it is singular, x will be minus 1. Singular case, non-singular, x is not minus 1. That you should keep in mind. So these are the things I told you. Singular matrix, non-singular matrix, how to calculate determinant, then 1 by 1 matrix, 2 by 2 matrix, 3 by 3 matrix, their determinant calculation, singular and non-singular. So this part is complete. Now next time I'll be starting with more new topics. First you complete this, practice it, find out you're getting it right or not. If any problem, please let us know. And in your RD Sharma, you can complete your chapter number 5, complete. And in NCRT, you can go 3.1, 2 and 3. That you should complete. And whatever problem, please give that picture to me on the WhatsApp. I'll solve it and I'll just give you picture back. So that problem we can solve, but I want that you should complete these. And one worksheet we are sending to you. Till now whatever we have done on that, that will be on a school website soon, and that you should solve in your one register you make, and that will be used for the internal 20 marks. That will be graded 1 and 20 marks grading. And whenever school reopens, we want that work should be complete, and if you delay it, marks are going to reduce in that same proportion. So keep in mind that work you should complete. Thank you.